औज़ुबिल्लाहिमिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम रब्बी ज़िदनी इल्मा रब्बी ज़िदनी इल्मा रब्बी ज़िदनी इल्मा। अस्सलाम वालेकुम। काइंडली आप लोग भी कलमा पढ़े। अच्छा, आज in this class we are going to have the passive voice of future perfect tense, and almost we may say this is our last tense that we will study today with its active and passive structure. Okay, so rest of the four tenses, as I have already told you, all perfect continuous tense and future continuous tense, they are like we don't have, though we have, but though we have it's their passive structures, but they are not formal. Okay, they are not in our use, or I may say they are not a part of our syllabus or a part of our course. So first of all I would like to write the Urdu pehchan of this tense, future perfect tense. As I have already told you, if someone asks you where we can use the future perfect tense, so you will have to just reply that it is future, so they are just intentions. Like in my intentions, I have pretended that something would have been completed. मैं कभी कभार सोचता हूँ कि वो काम कंप्लीट हो चुका होगा, यानी मैं श्योर नहीं हूँ कि हुआ है या नहीं, लेकिन इस तरह मैं मतलब सोचता हूँ कि वो कंप्लीट हो चुका होगा मुंगो यो कार बस शिवी, but we are not sure whether it has been done or not. Like for example, if someone gets late and he may be asked by his father or mother that why you don't go to class now, and he say that the bus would have gone or will have gone, bus ja chuki hogi, so it means that he thinks that a task would have been completed in the future. Okay, but he is not quite sure because they are just intentions. लाइक इंटेंडेड ही इज़, वो सिर्फ इस तरह इरादा रखते हैं कि इस तरह हुआ होगा, लेकिन ही इज़ नॉट क्वाइट श्योर 100% श्योर, बिकॉज फ्यूचर इज़ व्हाट, फ्यूचर इज़ दे आर जस्ट इंटेंशंस. ओके, सो व्हाट इज़ द उर्दू पहचान ऑफ दिस? यस, आई एम गोइंग टू राइट कारी से. चुका होगा, चुकी होगी, चुके होगे, लिया होगा, गिया होगा वगैरह. Okay, now what is the structure, active structure of this tense? सलमाना खूब देने दे कड़े खूब दर्जी और मुखलस हुई इंसा. Active structure, the active structure की वमू से को, first of all we will have to bring subject, then we will have to bring will have, and then third form of verb, and then plus object. Okay, it's quite easy. Like for example, वो एग्जाम्पल है, वो क्लास खत्म कर चुकी होगी, वो क्लास खत्म कर चुकी होगी. सो कैसा? शी will have finished or ended, finished, she will have finished the class. So this is what, this is like its example. Okay, now what about its passive structure? Yes, it's quite easy. सुर के ना दे सलमान दे हक्कानी तो बोतल है उसमें. Okay, first of all I will have to bring object over here, and the same thing like plus will have been, been plus third form of verb plus chupshay, by, to, with or n plus subject. Okay, so this is quite easy. Okay, so I'm just going to like make the voice of this very sentence into passive. I'm going to change this. So how, like this is basically, I may say she will have finished the class. The example is she will have finished the class. Okay, so कैसा? Now the class will have been finished by R. So this is what this it's passive structure, as we have already explained that where we should use to, so it is used with to verb when it is no or marry. All the times I explain this with when we don't have like a living subject, when the subject is not a human or a living thing. Okay, in is used like when we talk about a country, or when we talk about a city, or when we talk about a place. Okay, and plus we will put, I think there was one thing more as well. Okay, I think there was nothing. Okay, so this is what. No, it's okay, it's fine. Okay, so this was what, this was the future perfect tense and its active and passive structure. I hope you would have cleared the lecture. Even then, if you have any questions, if you have any like, if you have missed understood somewhere, or not have understood yourself somewhere, so definitely you can ask me in the comment box. If you find my video fruitful for you or good for you, so like, you are supposed to share it with your friends as well, and also you'll have to like my channel. Moreover, uh, thank you so very much. Allah Hafiz.